Ever wondered why some businesses flourish while others flounder? It's no magic trick, but the strategic application of a concept known as the marketing funnel. A marketing funnel is like a roadmap to customer conversion. It's a visual representation of the journey a customer takes from the first interaction with a brand to the final purchase. It's not just a fancy diagram, it's a strategic tool that helps businesses understand their customers better, develop effective marketing strategies, and ultimately grow their bottom line. Think of a marketing funnel as a real funnel. It's wide at the top, narrow at the bottom. This shape illustrates the theoretical customer journey towards the purchase of a product or service. The marketing funnel consists of several stages. The top of the funnel, or the awareness stage, is where potential customers first become aware of a business or product. This is the stage where businesses cast a wide net, reaching out to as many people as possible. The next stage is the interest stage. At this point, potential customers have shown some interest in the product or service. They might follow the company on social media, subscribe to the newsletter, or visit the website. Moving further down, we come to the decision stage. Here, potential customers are comparing different options, reading reviews, and considering their choices. They're on the verge of making a decision, and it's crucial for businesses to present them with compelling reasons to choose their product or service. Finally, we reach the action stage. This is where potential customers become actual customers. They make the purchase, sign up for the service, or otherwise engage in a way that contributes to the business's revenue. The beauty of the marketing funnel lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It can be customized to suit any business or industry, and it can be scaled up or down as needed. It provides a clear step-by-step path to customer conversion, making it easier for businesses to plan and execute their marketing strategies. In summary, a marketing funnel is a crucial tool in the arsenal of any business. It helps businesses understand their customers' journey from the initial awareness stage to the final action stage. It helps businesses develop targeted marketing strategies, and it provides a clear path to customer conversion. By understanding and effectively using a marketing funnel, businesses can increase their reach, improve their customer engagement, and boost their revenue. So, the next time you're wondering why some businesses are more successful than others, remember the marketing funnel. It might just be the secret to their success.